Hi, it's Nick from Sirlinks-A-Lot. Today, let's dive into Perplexity Comet, the AI-powered browser that's making waves in the digital world. As someone obsessed with efficiency and SEO, trust me, this isn't just another Chrome clone. Here's what you need to know, and why it matters for anyone serious about digital marketing and online business. What is Comet? Comet is Perplexity AI's answer to Google Chrome and Safari, but it's built from the ground up to be AI native. It integrates advanced AI tools right into the web browser, making routine browsing tasks smarter and more automated. Instead of a traditional tabbed interface, Comet uses a workspace model which allows users to access all their ongoing research and tasks in a single seamless view. Think less tab overload, more organized workflow. AI features at your fingertips. The standout is Comet Assistant, an AI agent embedded right in the browser. You can use natural language prompts like "Show me trending backlinks strategies for 2025 inches" and get a summary complete with citations, not a list of blue links. Real-world example. Imagine you're pitching a client and juggling 10 pieces of research, affiliate dashboards, and analytics tools. With Chrome, you're lost in tabs. With Comet, everything, the research, the summaries, the actionable insights, is in one organized workspace. Comet Assistant proactively suggests related content and can recap your previous session so you never lose context. Content curation. Comet can summarize videos, social posts, and even chat interactions, which is huge for newsjacking or trend spotting in SEO campaigns. Integration with major web standards. Since it's built on Chromium, all your extensions and passwords can be ported right over. No painful switching costs. Cons and critical viewpoints. Privacy trade-offs. To get the most from the assistant, you have to grant significant access to your web data, emails, and calendars. This is common with AI-driven platforms, but it's something every agency and freelancer should seriously consider before jumping in. Resource usage. Early testers report that AI features make Comet use more memory and power than Chrome, especially during heavy multitasking. If you run a lot of browser-based workflows, you may notice a difference. Access is still limited. Right now, full access requires either an invite from the waitlist or subscribing to Perplexity's Max plan at $200 a month. Widespread adoption and mobile support are coming, but not here yet. SEO and digital marketing impact. For SEO agencies and digital marketers, the promise of agentic search is huge. It could change how we research competitors, analyze site structures, or even respond to leads, since the AI can automate multi-step repetitive workflows. Imagine your browser not just helping you find links, but actually generating outreach lists and responding to prospects in real time. But as always, verify the results. AI-powered summaries and automations are only as good as the data and models behind them. What's next? Perplexity's CEO says the end goal is to build something close to an operating system for the internet, a browser that handles everything from content discovery to complex task automation. If Perplexity delivers on that vision, digital marketing workflows might get redefined again. Comet is still early, but it's one of the most ambitious AI browser projects out there. And for digital marketers, the potential upside is massive. If you get access, try it, but do your due diligence on privacy and performance. Until next time, optimize smart and stay curious.